Hey Justin, what you working on?
Hey man, I'm working on some new characters in Fuse. So Fuse is really good for creating custom models. So sometimes we have clients that need a particular person for their renderings, and Fuse allows us to make special, semi-customizable people for our renderings. So you can do, there are some limitations, but it is actually quite nice. So this is the guy I currently have. Just a nice, simple guy that can be presenting on stage. Then after you do that, you can send it to Mixamo, and it will auto-rig the character. And here's the character fully rigged. Mixamo does a great job of auto-rigging it for you. So, yeah, and then you choose different animations for you if you want.
Cool.
So then you can bring them into the your 3D program and pose them how you want them.